Welcome to this generative AI module. Throughout this module, we will learn about the different types of models that make up generative AI and how each of these models works. So, what is generative AI? Well, generative AI or generative models are nothing more than artificial intelligence algorithms that can generate new content based on existing data. This data can be unstructured data such as text, audio files, or even images. These models use machine learning techniques and data training to create new content. The importance of generative AI models lies in their ability to produce new ideas, automate tasks, and, in a way, push the boundaries of creativity. Here we have an example of an image created entirely with a generative AI model. In fact, different venture capital firms have already invested over $1.7 billion in generative AI solutions in the past 3 years. Furthermore, investment in this type of model is expected to continue growing in the coming years. Therefore, we can get an idea of the great potential these generative AI models hold. And what are these generative AI models? Well, two of the most well-known generative AI models to date are ChatGPT and DALLE. Both ChatGPT and DALLE are among the most popular models. ChatGPT is a chatbot that uses generative AI to produce human-like responses when a user asks a question or gives it a task. It was developed using the GPT-3 language model and has gained significant attention for its ability to generate impressive and sometimes very human-like responses. It can even incorporate a humorous tone into its answers. On the other hand, DALLE is an image generation system that can produce original images based on text prompts. It has gained tremendous popularity in recent years and has been used to create over 2 million images per day, with over 1.5 million users. Both models were developed by the same company, OpenAI, and to this day, they are two of the most widely used models. Lastly, we have other models that, although less known, are also very useful, such as Stable Diffusion, DreamVault, and Mediator. Although they are less renowned, they have also been extensively used and allow for generating a wide range of content. Stable Diffusion is an open-source deep learning model that uses text descriptions called prompts to generate images of fictional scenes. DreamVault enables users to insert their own images, subjects, or characters into desired scenes. And finally, Mediator creates a fictional image based on the prompts provided. Here we can see an example of the results obtained using these three tools. On the left, we have the image developed by DreamVault. In fact, this image recently won a significant content creation competition. Then, on the top right, we have an image generated with Mediator, and below, an image generated with Stable Diffusion. As we can see, the quality of the results from these tools is astounding. If we wanted to use any of these tools, we can simply access their official website. This would be the Stable Diffusion page, which provides us with more information on how to use it and what it does. Additionally, it's worth mentioning that this tool is open source and free to use. In fact, there's no need to even register to use it. We can directly access it from here. Let's instruct it to generate a realistic picture of a green cat and see what result we get. Here it is. We can see that the images are of very high quality, especially this one, which looks really cool. We can zoom in, and by simply clicking Save As, we could download the image for ourselves. Next, another tool would be DreamVault. This is the official GitHub page of DreamVault, where we can find all the information about how the model works. We can see that we need to provide input images, and thanks to DreamVault, we can transform the characters or elements in the input photos, in this case, a dog, into the desired scenario. Here, we're going to ask it to send the dog to the Acropolis, and here we have the dog in the Acropolis. In the swimming pool, we can see how it generates a very realistic photo of the dog in the pool. With this model, we don't create images out of thin air. Instead, we provide a character and indicate how we want it to appear, and it is capable of generating it. Here we have more information on how it works and how to use it. Finally, we have the tool Me Journey, which can be used through the Discord forum. It used to be free, but now it is a paid service. Here we can access the community showcase, where they display examples of images generated by users. This tool creates images based on user texts and prompts, without the need to provide an input image. Here we can see the results of some photos. As we can observe, they are highly realistic, well-executed images with great quality. Now that we know more about what generative AI is and the different tools based on generative AI models, in the upcoming tasks, we will delve deeper into these models and also understand how they work.